Hello everyone, you are welcome to this channel. Have you ever pondered over the best way to clean artificial paper flowers without causing any damage? Well, today's video is going to unravel the mystery behind this delicate task. Paper flowers, especially those crafted from duplex crepe paper, are a beautiful addition to any home, office, or shop decor. Despite their fragile appearance, these eco-friendly flowers are incredibly durable, with some lasting up to 2 decades or more. However, cleaning them can seem a daunting task, given their delicate nature. But worry not, just as you wouldn't wash your electronic devices with water, paper flowers too require a different approach. And it's simpler than you may think. The initial phase of the process involves selecting the right tool. A soft dry cloth or a brush is ideal for this task. Then, with a gentle hand, dust off the surface of the flowers. The key here is to be patient and precise, ensuring you don't tear or wrinkle the paper. Alternatively, a mild air blower can also be employed. But remember, the air shouldn't be too hot as it may harm the flowers. Now, here's a critical point to note. Artificial paper flowers and water are not a good mix. So, resist the temptation to use a damp cloth or even a sanitizer. These can warp, discolor, and weaken the paper, spoiling the very charm of your decorations. In case if you wish to watch the practical demonstration on how to clean paper flowers, then here is another video which will pop up on the screen before this video ends. The demonstration is shown using the flower which is made 20 years ago. It would be immensely beneficial, offering you valuable insights. The most effective way to ensure your fake paper flowers retain their beauty for years is to keep them in a closed glass showcase, where they remain protected from dust. But if they are kept in open, cleaning becomes a necessary task. The good news is, with these steps, you are well equipped to handle it. For those interested in adding these charming paper flowers to their decor, they are readily available on online platforms like Amazon India and Flipkart. You can find the links in the video description. In summary, remember, never use water, wet cloth, or sanitizer to clean your paper flowers. Instead, opt for a soft dry cloth, a brush, or a mild air blower. And whenever possible, display them in a closed glass showcase to keep them dust-free for years. Now, as said earlier, here is the video showing the practical demonstration, and you must absolutely view this video without any exceptions. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button, share it, and subscribe to our channel if you found this video enlightening for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and stay blessed.